This is Noor and you are watching Mobile Solutions. In this video I am going to show you how to bypass Galaxy Samsung J250 Grand Prime Pro FRP. In some steps, it's very easy to bypass. Without PC, you just have to download two apps. Just keep watching and follow me. First of all, we should have a good internet, Wi-Fi. It's asking for Wi-Fi here. As you can see, my Wi-Fi is connected. So we will proceed to next step. Here, as you can see, verify your Google. Use your Google account. This device was reset to continue sign in with a Google account that was previously synced on this device. That means this device is locked with the Google, and so let's proceed to the video. First of all, we have to on talkback. So for that, we have to hold our two fingers. Keep holding two fingers until you see this menu. So our talkback is on. So just we have to drag our finger like L shape, like this. So click on talkback settings. Now we can stop this. It's closed. Scroll down and click on help and feedback. You will see this menu. Click on just get started with voice access. Play this video. Just click on share button. You can see here three dots. Just click on three dots. No need to update this, not now. Just play this video and go drag it down. Click on this user menu. You will see here three options: settings, terms and policy. Terms, and you'll have to click on terms and privacy policy. So it's asking for update Samsung internet. No need to update, remind me later. Now we are going to download two apps. You have two options to download. You can download it on your computer and put it on your card, and other option is you can download in mobile phone. So let me show you on mobile how to download here. Just click and select this address. Go to firmware dash unlock.com. Just open this website. As you can see, my website is loaded. So the next step is to click on these three bars. You will see here software. Click on software. Click on apps. Open this folder. First of all, we will download the Apex launcher, and the second application is this. So I will download. Just click on proceed to download launcher. Click on this download folder. So my Apex launcher is downloaded. Save. So we will go back and we'll download the other file. Apps, So now we will download the Google account, add app. By this app we can add easily our account. Proceed, click on download folder, and here is the download link. Click on download. It will be downloaded in a minute. Save. So just we can go to find, we will find this file in bookmarks. No need. Just click on history, download history. You can see bypass firmware unlock.com APK is downloading, still downloading. So we don't have to wait for this downloading, just we have to install this Apex launcher. Settings, unknown resources, okay, install. Open it. It will take you to the home screen. Just go to the settings, open menu, phone settings. Normally we go to here, just go to general, go to lock and screen security. Click on unknown resources, other security settings. Open device administrator. Just you can see find my device. Here we can click on this and deactivate the device. Now go back, open the apps, here. Just go and find the Google Play services, force stop and disable. Go back, Google Play Store, force stop and disable. Just now click on these three dots and show system apps, where we have to find the Google App Manager. Google Account Manager. We have to force stop, click on force stop and disable it. Just go back, go and find the downloads. We have downloaded this bypass application. Click next to install. Just click to open it. Go back, Just go back to home button and go to settings. Open the settings, go to accounts, click on accounts, add account, click on Google, just put here your personal email, click on next. It's asking for password, click on next. As you can see, my email address is added. This is my email. Just restart your phone, and your phone is bypass. It will take a while to be booted to the normal screen. As you can see, Android is starting. That means my Google ID is got bypass. So just first of all, press and hold these two keys to suspend the talkback. Next, checking for updates. As you can see, my account has added. This is my personal account. If you like our video, please don't forget to hit like button and subscribe my channel in order to get notification of every new video that I am going to upload in future. And after doing all this, we have to factory reset our phone in order to delete our personal account. So keep watching my videos, and thanks for watching again. Just go to settings, accounts. You can remove here account, you can remove here your personal account, and it's removed. And now I can reset my phone. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.